Hailey, yesterday someone told me to break a leg.
Oh no, what did you do?
I spent the entire day protecting my legs.
Leo,
What?
that's not what it means.
Wait, seriously?
Seriously.
Then why would anyone say that?
And that is exactly what we're talking about today. Hello everyone, and welcome to Speak with Hailey, where you can improve your English through fun and natural conversations. I'm Hailey.
And I'm Leo.
Today we're exploring some of the funniest English expressions that confuse learners around the world.
Including me.
Especially you.
Fair enough.
Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Speak with Hailey and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson.
And if you've ever misunderstood an English phrase, give this video a like.
Let's get started.
Please explain this leg-breaking situation.
Expression number 1. Break a leg.
The phrase that nearly ruined my day.
It actually means good luck.
That's the opposite of what I thought.
Imagine your friend is about to perform in a play.
Okay.
You can say, break a leg.
And they won't be offended?
Not at all.
English is already confusing.
We are just getting started.
Wonderful.
Expression number 2. It's raining cats and dogs.
I used to be afraid of this one.
Why?
Because I imagined dogs and cats falling from the sky.
That would be a very unusual weather forecast.
Extremely unusual.
The expression simply means it's raining very heavily,
That's much less exciting.
but much more realistic.
Good point.
For example, take an umbrella, it's raining cats and dogs outside.
So no animals are involved.
None.
That's a relief.
Expression number 3. Piece of cake.
Finally, something about food.
If something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy.
Example?
The test was a piece of cake.
Meaning the test was easy.
Exactly.
Not that somebody brought dessert to the classroom.
Correct.
Though that would improve most classes.
I agree. Expression number 4. Hit the books.
That sounds aggressive.
What do you imagine?
Someone throwing punches at a textbook.
Thankfully, no.
Then what does it mean?
It means to study.
That's much more peaceful.
Example, I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight.
Study the books, don't attack them.
Exactly.
My textbooks appreciate that.
Mistake number 5. Under the weather.
Let me guess.
Go ahead.
Standing beneath a cloud.
Not exactly. Everyone is beneath a cloud.
That's true.
It means feeling sick.
Ah, that makes more sense.
Example, I'm feeling a little under the weather today.
So I should bring soup.
Exactly. Mistake number 6. Cost an arm and a leg.
There are a lot of body parts in English.
There really are.
Does this mean expensive?
Yes.
Good, because losing an arm and a leg sounds very expensive.
Example, that new phone cost an arm and a leg.
Meaning it was very expensive.
Perfect.
I still have both arms and both legs.
Excellent news. Mistake number 7. Spill the beans.
Finally, food again.
What do you think it means?
Making a mess in the kitchen.
No.
Then I have no idea.
It means revealing a secret.
Really?
Example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party.
So keep the secret.
Exactly.
Poor beans.
They did nothing wrong.
Yet they're always getting spilled.
Mistake number 8. Once in a blue moon.
I've never seen a blue moon.
Most people haven't.
So what does it mean?
Something that happens very rarely.
Example?
My brother cleans his room once in a blue moon.
That sounds familiar.
Interesting. Mistake number 9. Hold your horses.
I don't own any horses.
That's okay.
Then why am I holding them?
You're not.
Good.
It means slow down and be patient.
Ah.
Example. Hold your horses. We haven't left yet.
Much easier than catching actual horses.
Definitely. And finally, mistake number 10.
The grand finale.
Bite the bullet.
That sounds painful. What does it mean?
To do something difficult that you've been avoiding.
Example?
I finally bit the bullet and cleaned my garage.
So you faced something unpleasant.
Exactly. And that's our final expression for today.
I learned 2 important things.
What are they?
First, English expressions are strange.
That's true.
Second, I have misunderstood many of them.
Also true.
But now I understand them much better.
That's what matters.
Let's do a quick review.
Break a leg means good luck.
Piece of cake means easy.
Hit the books means study.
Hold your horses means be patient.
Spill the beans means reveal a secret.
And bite the bullet means do something difficult you've been avoiding.
Perfect. Thank you so much for listening to Speak with Hailey. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And tell us in the comments which expression surprised you the most.
We love reading your comments.
See you next time. Bye!
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English. Goodbye, everyone.